In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lesson planner in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable system to plan lessons, track progress, and keep all your materials in one place. Start by creating a new page in Notion and name it Lesson Planner. On this page, add a database. You can begin with either a table view or a calendar view. I recommend starting with a table so it's easy to add fields. And you can switch to calendar later for scheduling. Now, define the core properties that keep everything organized. Add a date property so each lesson is scheduled. Create a subject or class property using the select type, so you can pick from your subjects without typing them each time. Add a status property with options like planned, ready, and completed to reflect where each lesson stands. Include a resources property using files and media, so you can attach slides, worksheets, or reference files right to the lesson. Finally, add a simple checkbox for quick completion checks during your prep or after delivery. To save time and standardize your planning, create a template inside the database. Click the small arrow next to the blue New button, choose New Template, and design the structure you want every lesson to follow. Add clearly labeled sections for learning objectives, where you define what students should know or be able to do by the end. Include an activity breakdown laying out a timeline of classroom activities from warm-up to wrap-up. Add a materials or resources section for links and handouts, so everything is one click away. Finish with assessment methods, explaining how you'll check understanding. This could be an exit ticket, quick quiz, or observation notes. Next, set up helpful views. Create a calendar view and call it Weekly View. This will display lessons by their date, and you can drag and drop cards to reschedule quickly as your week evolves. Add another view as a board and name it Subject View. Group the board by the subject or class property so each column represents a subject or topic. This gives you a snapshot of coverage and balance across your curriculum. Finally, create a table view for your preparation checklist. Add a filter to show only lessons that are not yet marked ready. In the status property, this becomes your focus to-do list, helping you prioritize what needs attention before class. That's your complete lesson planner in Notion. Structured, flexible, and easy to update. Thanks for watching.